the question is, how is technology like AI changing the world that we work in? And I think this we're kind of on the cusp of one of those big revolutionary rather than evolutionary changes in the way that we work. AI isn't going to um, uh, 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 do your job for you, right? But AI is a very powerful tool as a sidekick or co-pilot for you as somebody who's doing things, right? For example, I use it quite a lot when I want to come up with ideas on a particular topic, and I'll ask it to generate some ideas on a particular topic. It will make the ideas, and then I'm going to go write stuff around those ideas. But it makes me much more effective. I don't know if you've ever sat and stared at a blank page for ages trying to figure out how do I start, or you get to a bit of your thing that you're trying to talk about, and you're like, how do I go from here? And you can effectively take what you've written so far, feed it into ChatGTP, and say, what might be next? And it will come up with something for you. And it might come up with something that's crap, right? That's totally might do that. But then you are still the author, right? You're still the one in control. It's just the co-pilot making suggestions for you. And hopefully it will twig that memory or that thing you want to talk about. And I do find it particularly useful once I've written something to say, oh, and create me a lead for LinkedIn for this post, and it will go create those things for you. It's really quick to get started and do things. So to tie that back to that idea of how it will change the way we work, it will make us more productive and more capable, right? As an individual who adopts some of these AI tools, we become more capable at our jobs. We become more productive at our jobs. We're able to do more things more quickly, less wasted time. Right? You should never again have to copy stuff from one spreadsheet to another, or create forms in you want to take a spreadsheet and you want to analyze the data. AI will build the bits for you, and then you can then write your analysis around it. All of these productivity tools are going to mean that you, as somebody who adopts AI, are going to be far more effective at your job than your colleagues who do not. So I would say adopt AI, bring it into the way you're working as soon as you possibly can, even if you're just tinkering with it. Go get a course on prompt engineering, or find some content to absorb and figure out how you might use this technology in your job, because it is going to revolutionize the way we work. And hopefully for organizations that adopt it wholesale, it's going to revolutionize their ability to compete in the markets that they compete in, by them being able to adapt to changing demands of the market much more quickly than their competitors. This is a tool. It's going to help us enormously in figuring stuff out. And that's how it's going to change the way that we work. It's going to change every vestige of it, and get on board or be left behind. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, follow, and subscribe. I always reply to comments, and if you want to have a chat about this or anything else Agile, Scrum, or DevOps, then please book a coffee with me through NKD Agility.